welcome back to another video of Brookhaven. So, as you guys remembered, I uploaded a video that I was a crazy driver in Brookhaven and actually lost my job because I kind of was a little bit over crazy. And now I'm on my third job. I'm gonna work as a repair. I'm gonna repair cars. Okay, so we are going to another city for that. So let's go. So this is totally another place, okay? So our taxi is gonna come soon. Actually, somebody actually delivered our real car, the car we are gonna go on. We are gonna work over here. This is our new workplace. So let's go. So we work over here like at the gas station. We enjoy our cultural food mart over here, open for 24 hours. So we can also wake up at the middle of the night and go over there and have some snacks. And then we have some car wash over here. So the cars go from come from over here and exit from the other side. They also get gas, and I'm over here as I'm gonna go and that's the side where we're gonna repair cars. So let's go. Hello, boss. Pretend there's a person over there. Hello, boss. I'm the new person over here. I'm gonna be doing some job as I told you. Yeah. So yeah, you got the job, ma'am. So we're gonna start off by giving you some really hard, work over here and give the screws and everything that you know what. I don't have to tell you. Okay. So we work over here. So we need a tab, of course. Then we need some tools. Okay. First, we're gonna work by checking our stores equipment. So great. It has great. Yeah, it's really great. Yeah, I just bought this over here, sports and luxury cars. And this is our hammer. We're gonna fix. Beam, beam, beam. Ooh. But we're gonna fix with this. Yep, we're done. Okay. So they just told us that we're supposed to deliver this luxurious car. It's gonna arrive soon. This is a super luxurious car, and we're supposed to deliver it. And let's go. Oh no, I'm losing the controls of this car. Oh no! Ah! Ooh. 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 Ow! I'm drowning! Help! I'm drowning! I'm drowning! I need to swim over that guy. Please. I'm gonna tell what happened. Guys, we lost our job again, and they say my boss just called up on this tablet, and he said, "I'm out. I don't deserve this job anymore." So we're gonna go back to our old town and see if we can get some job. Everything that I do goes wrong. And we are back at our whole town, and this is up for this video. I'm really sad that I lost my job again. Now I don't need these anymore. I'm just gonna cry all the time.